Hello. Product name, AI Buddy. ChatGPT-Powered App Review. Vendor, SoftPro63. Introduction, AI Buddy, ChatGPT-Powered App Review. It is a product that can express the human mind in the form of design and is able to create high-quality content. It is capable of producing human-like reactions which are quite surprising. With this, you can create your thoughts in written form. Product description: world's first ChatGPT-powered Google killer app generates human-like responses, high-quality content, and designs stunning AI arts images. Experience the power of this paradigm-shifting AI revolution that's redefining the boundaries of human intelligence. World's first ChatGPT-powered Google killer app effortlessly creates high-in-demand content, marketing materials, AI visuals, codes, and much more for maximum profit. How does it work? You're just 3 clicks away. Step 1. Ask, give Siri-like voice commands or type your desired specification about anything that want, like content, AI graphics, marketing materials, etc. Step 2. Generate. ABuddy harnesses the power of ChatGPT OpenAI and generates high-quality content, AI graphics, marketing materials, or anything you desired for. Step 3. Profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand marketing contents, AI graphics, and so much more to your clients or on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork while filling up your pockets. Final opinion: this product will save the time that is wasted on various tasks. By using it, a radical change will come within the person. So you will benefit a lot by using this product. Thank you. Product name.